So here we go. Little project I'm working on. I'm bringing everything back, trying to make the chrome detail come alive. The car was all painted like flat black everything, so I'm gonna start taking the paint off of that, as I already did this rail right here. As you see, I got the strip out right here. This rail I've already done. Can't really see it good, but that's what it looks like. Now I gotta tape this all off and work on bringing this alive. I think it'll really add to the car. Some people may not think so, but that's what I'm doing right now. As you see, this is what got me motivated to do it. You can see the stainless steel through the paint that has got those nicks and scratches on it, like even right here. Where is that? Now watch, I just had that right there. See how the paint's coming off of there? So we're gonna try to do this ever so nicely and take care of this. See how this works and looks. Come around. I've already taken care of that. Doing detail as we go. Here's what she looks like. And again, as I mentioned, we got the other one down on the lower half, getting a little bit of attention. It's a 72 hideaway car, hideaway headlight car. I'll show you this. Right here, this is doing a little bit of detail work. This is a common spot, already welded in a piece. And this is a metal top. Metal to metal Evercoat. Doing a little spot right here where somebody poked a hole right through the hood. I don't know how, but they did. We're taking care of that. We welded it in, and we're taking care of it from the top and the bottom. This is the rest of the car as you see it. Pretty clean. Typical area right here. A little bit of spot right there. And we're getting ready to weld a new piece of 16 gauge in there for that. Metal to metal, Evercoat, metal reinforced body filler for metal surfaces. Just did this. Nice. Everybody knows how you get a little bubble and then you gotta get into it. Right here, it's just a little pitting. No holes or anything, same as there. Just needs a little high build primer. Same thing here. Just needs a little bump sand right here. Just gotta put the groove in there. A lot of work, but baby, that's smooth. Same thing over here. Right here's what you see over here. And that's the worst of it. That's it. That's a stripe, more surface little spot right there, kinda. But yeah, here's a little spot. And then right here. Other than that, she's pretty clean. Oh, this side was worse than the other side. Right here's a little spot. That's nothing. I'll show you that as we take care of it. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe if you like what you see. Rebuilding the motor too. It's got a 440. Big block in it. RB out of a 1976 Coronet Monaco police car. See, this is exactly what it was on the other side. There's no real rot or damage. It's just literally made a bubble. So you gotta take it out and tear it apart. I'll show you what I mean by that. There's another little tiny one right here, like two. So we'll have to get into that too. But that's just process of elimination. Right here's exactly what it looked like on the other side. No significant damage, just a little surface. Trunk was totally beautiful, so nice that I already did it and put the cardboard in to preserve it. All this is really, I mean, I can't even explain how nice this is. But if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, as I might negotiate this one gone. Thanks. Here's the bumper for the 72. Look at this. It's over here. She's in pretty good shape for a 72. This is all original. Yep. Other than a little work here, a little work there. It's just what you gotta do to bring these old cars back. Looking at another one, possibly 71. Tell me in the comment department if you like what you see. I can try and answer questions. Thanks. Now back to this one. I'm gonna get the tape. We're gonna tape all this off, and we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna one proportion, one side, one piece at a time. Till next time. The pro you need to know.